My name is Anupriya Rajput from Hyder Public School. Studying, I am class third. My father name is Mukesh Rajput. My mother name is Monika Devi.
Good morning, ma'am. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Anupriya. I am from Haji Public School. I belong to a joint family. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reflected company, and my long-term goal is to achieve a good position like yours, where I can build my career. My hobbies are reading books and dancing. Lastly, I am a quick tennis, and I believe learning from past mistake and expansiveness. Thank you.